Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll give you a overlook of the Samsung Galaxy S10. As you can see, I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 with me, and this is not the S10 Plus, this is the normal S10, the regular one, the smaller one you can say. And I have this blue color with me. So in this video I'll just give you an overview of this product. So on the top you can see we have one secondary microphone or noise cancellation microphone and the SIM tray. On the back you'll have the triple camera setup with the heart rate sensor and the flash. So this is having three camera setup. One is the regular one is the wide angle, and the another one is the zoom lens, that you can say the telephoto lens. And below there you can see the branding of Samsung, and here some stuffs has been written like designed and engineered by Samsung, manufactured in India. So this phone is manufactured in India, and you'll get the serial number over here. And on the left hand side you'll get the Bixby button and the volume keys. Here is the antenna, and on the bottom of the device you'll get the type C charging port and the microphone and the 3.5 mm headphone jack and the speaker grill. So this is the last phone guys which is having the 3.5 mm headphone jack from Samsung, because you should not expect any 3.5 mm headphone jack in Samsung flagship devices anymore, because in Galaxy Note 10 it has been removed. So on the front you'll see one camera is there. This is the normal S10 guys, so you'll having the single camera setup, and there the display is there. And so the fingerprint scanner is embedded in the display, so it's having the in-display fingerprint scanner, and you can see this is the device. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 guys. I'll make another video that what are the problems I'm facing with this device. No doubt it's a very good phone, but I'll make another video that what are the problems I'm getting the device and what are the good thing about this device. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like this video. This is just a quick update on the Samsung Galaxy S10. I know it's it's little bit older now, this device, but still it's a good phone. And I'll make a quick video in full details. I'll make a full detail video about this Samsung Galaxy S10. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.